Well, good morning, Jagender Rana here. Topic of the day is Postal Life Insurance in India. Postal Life Insurance in India. This Postal Life Insurance was introduced on 1st February 1884. But it started as a welfare scheme for the behalf of postal employees and was later extended to the employees of the telegraph department in 1888. It was introduced in 1884 and then in 1888 it was extended to employees of the telegraph department. In 1894, PLI extended insurance cover to female employees of the erstwhile P&T department at a time when no other insurance company covered female lives. So it is the oldest life insurance in the country. Over the years, PLI has grown substantially from a few hundred policies in 1884 to more than 50 lakh policies as on 31st March 2021. So it now covers employees of Central and State Department, Defense and Paramilitary Services, public sector undertakings, banks, educational institutions, local bodies, professionals such as doctors, engineers, chartered accountants, MBAs, lawyers, etc. And employees of companies listed with National Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, means NSE and BSE. As far as policies or schemes of the postal life insurance are concerned, they have got whole life assurance Suraksha, convertible whole life assurance Suvidha, endowment assurance Santosh, joint life assurance, legal Suraksha, anticipated endowment assurance, Sumangal, and children policy, that is Bal Jeevan Bima. So, a postal life insurance policy enters you into a long-term relationship with the Department of Post. During the long period, you will have a number of interactions with PLI. A life insurance contract has several features which need explanation. While the policy bond given to the customers, the contractual issues, customers, and it covers the contractual issues. So customers need a guide within its meanings and in simple language. So let us see what is this policy bond and its safety. The policy bond is the most important document during the life of a policy. This is a document which will be called for in connection with the various servicing events, including the settlement of claims. The first thing you should do after receiving the bond is to keep the same in a safe place. And please do not forget to inform your near and dear ones about where the bond has been kept. Look at the policy bond again and see the policy number. There is a 13-digit number called policy number. This is a unique number that identifies the policy in any correspondence related to servicing of the policy. You have to quote this number. So note down your number while paying premium through checks. Policy number must be quoted on the back of the checks. Then payment of premium. The premium payment is the most important and most frequent event in lifetime for a policy, and you must not forget to pay premium in time. So failure to pay premiums in time results in a relaxation of policy, which means the life cover will not be available to you. There are concessions on this under certain conditions. However, generally the life risk is not covered during relaxation period. So delay in payment of premium invites late fee. The premium must be paid in advance on the first day of each month. However, grace period is allowed up to the last working day of the month. The policy bond date of commencement of the policy bond date of commencement of the policy, due date and mode of payment of premiums are important things, because mode of payment means the frequency, that is yearly, half yearly, quarterly, monthly, etc. So based on these informations, you can draw a chart of due dates of premium payment in your diary. Then registering mobile number and email ID. Customer will have to visit nearest post office for getting his or her mobile number and email address updated in the system. Generating customer ID. In order to allow customers to view and carry out transactions relating to their postal life insurance, rural postal life insurance policies on real-time basis, generation of customer ID is a prerequisite on the customer portal through the link. However, before generating the customer ID on the portal, customer will have to ensure that his or her mobile number and email address are updated in the system against the respective policy. For payment of premium through deduction from pay, check from time to time that your employer is regularly remitting the premium deducted from the salary to PLI. Any lapse of delay or reimbursement will be against your interest, as this may result in loss of insurance cover. So one should not miss the insurance cover even for every period. Please check your salary slip regularly to ensure that the PLI premium has been deducted. If your services are transferred, please find out from your new office the location of the PLI office where your PLI premium will be sent. So the different individuals have different choices. Some love to come to PLI nearest post office, and some others would not like to stand in a queue. So keeping this in mind, we have tried to provide facilities for all type of customers. If you are one of those who would feel comfortable to pay across the counter, let us inform you that you can do so in your post office. Nomination is extremely important because your policy should have a nominee. At times, unfortunate delays of that claim occurs just because the nomination was not made. As a responsible person, you will surely nominate someone preferably near and dear one from your family. If not already done, please check up whether your nominee's name is appearing correctly in the policy schedule. Nomination can be done, changed at any point of time. However, if you assign your policy, the nomination gets automatically cancelled. So on assignment, ownership of the policy comes back to you, but the old nomination does not automatically get revived. You have to, in such case, nominate afresh. The insurant is advised to nominate the person to whom the claim amount shall be payable in the event of his or her death. And in case of minor nominee, name and concern of the appointee's guardian who may receive the said amount on behalf of the minor must be given. So in the event of nominee deceased, insurance change in nomination must be registered with the CPC through your post office. So the policy shall be treated as left in case you fail to pay the premium that has become due. In case of policies of less than 3 years duration, more than 6 premium are not paid, the policy lapses. In case of policies of more than 3 years duration, if more than 12 premiums are not paid, the policy lapses. So a discontinued policy can be restated. Automatic reinstatement permissible in following two conditions, such as policy has completed 3 years and 12 months premium has not been paid. and policy has not completed 3 years and 6 month premium has not been paid, so insurance or insured may deposit all the arrears of premium till the date of such payment along with interest at the rates prescribed by Department of Post. You should inform the Chief Postmaster General to the effect through the said office. Loan will be granted on the security of policy if the policy has been enforced for at least 3 years and is otherwise unencumbered and has acquired a minimum surrender value of ₹1,000. Subsequent loans are also permissible subject to fulfilling conditions prescribed. So these are a few points which every customer or every policyholder must understand. Then there are premium tables for every product. So now in 1884, postal employees were able to purchase a new welfare insurance policy exclusively designed to meet their needs. As the scheme grew, it was extended to cover personnel working in universities, state and central governments, public sector undertakings, government-aided universities and defense force staff. So a high return on the premium is offered by the postal life insurance schemes. It offers up to ₹50 lakh as the maximum sum assured. There are various types of policies offered by the Government of India to employees of the public sector enterprises, state government, government-aided educational institutions, universities, government-aided educational institutions, local bodies, corporate societies, joint ventures, with at least 10% of government or public sector stake, etc. So as part of the Department of Post Group Insurance Program, Postal Life Insurance also covers Gramin Dak Sevaks, which are extra departmental employees. Features of the Postal Life Insurance policy can be understood because the benefits are available to policyholders, can nominate beneficiaries and make changes to their nominations at any time. It is possible to obtain a loan against this policy if the policy has matured after 3 years. In the case of an endorsement policy, or 4 years in case of a whole life insurance policy. So the policyholder may pledge the policy as collateral to the heads of the region, circle, or on behalf of the President of India. Under such schemes, assignments are also possible. Reviving a lapsed policy is possible for policyholders. Several conditions must be met for policy to be revived when it is lapsed. And the policy can be changed from a whole life insurance policy to an endowment policy as per the guidelines. The benefits of investing in postal life insurance are there because Section 88 of the Income Tax Act provides that the insured can avail of income tax exemption. A lower premium is payable under this plan for coverage and the sum assured. Besides assignment and loan options, the policy offers other options such as conversion, surrender and a paid-up value option. There is no additional charge to transfer the policy to any circle within India. In addition to tracking premium payments, access to the passbook is available in case of loan transactions, etc. It is possible to pay the premium annually, half-yearly or monthly. The policyholder is legally entitled to make a payment on any working day when the payment is due. So 1% of the policy value can be saved by paying an advance premium for 6 months. A discount of 2% of the value of a policy can be obtained if you advance premium payments for a 12-month period. Nominations can be made. Claims are processed quickly and efficiently because of the centralized accounting system. So schemes which comes under postal life insurance are whole life insurance, convertible whole life insurance, endowment insurance, joint life insurance, anticipated endowment insurance and children policies. So these all policies are available. Plus the products are introduced time to time because this postal life insurance is a earliest scheme that launched by the Indian government. The best benefit provided by PLI is that it gives the high returns to the policyholders at very low pricing offers. So the PLI was initiated as the Post Office Employees Scheme. Thank you very much.